If your SurveyMonkey results are showing a large margin of error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it fast and improve the accuracy of your survey results. A high margin of error usually means your sample is too small, your audience is not well targeted, or your questions are making the data less reliable. The good news is that you can improve this with a few simple changes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. The first and most important step is to increase your sample size. This is the biggest factor in reducing margin of error. In simple terms, the more responses you collect, the more accurate your results become. If you only have a small number of answers, even a few unusual responses can push your results around a lot. But when you get more responses, your survey becomes more stable and representative. So if your margin of error is too high, go back and share your survey with more people. You can send it through email, social media, website pop-ups, or customer lists, depending on who you want to reach. Try not to rely on just a handful of responses. The more data you collect, the better your confidence in the results. Next, make sure you are targeting the right audience. This is just as important as getting more responses. If your survey is meant for customers, students, employees, or users of a specific product, then the people answering should actually match that group. If you survey the wrong audience, your results may look complete, but they will not reflect the people you really want to understand. For example, if you're asking about a product feature, you should survey actual users of that product, not random people who have never tried it. When your respondents represent your real audience, the margin of error becomes much more meaningful, and your conclusions become far more trustworthy. The third step is to keep your questions clear. Confusing questions can make people answer incorrectly or skip important details. Leading questions can also bias the results, which lowers the quality of your data. To avoid this, keep each question simple, direct, and easy to understand. Use plain language instead of complicated wording. Avoid asking two things in one question and make sure every answer choice is clear. The better your questions are, the better your responses will be, and that means your survey data will be more accurate overall. Clear questions lead to clearer answers, and clearer answers help reduce issues that can make your margin of error look worse than it should. The fourth step is to use random sampling whenever possible. A lot of people make the mistake of surveying only one type of person, like only their email subscribers, only social media followers, or only one customer segment. That creates bias because the group is not balanced. Random sampling helps you avoid that problem by giving more people an equal chance to respond. This creates a more representative mix of answers and helps your survey reflect the larger population more accurately. If you can, spread your survey across different channels and different groups instead of focusing on just one source. That small change can make a big difference in the quality of your results. So to recap, if you want to fix your SurveyMonkey margin of error, focus on 4 things. Increase your sample size, target the right audience, keep your questions clear, and use random sampling. If you apply all 4, your results will become much more reliable and your margin of error should improve. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more practical software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.